Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best thermostats for heat pumps in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Emerson Sensi Heat Pump Thermostat. Those of you who want their heat pump thermostats to last for a long time should consider Emerson, as it makes one of the most durable and reliable options out there. This heat pump thermostat is present in the first position in this article as it is the most durable and reliable option in this article. And you get this without paying extra for it as found in other premium heat pump thermostat options out there. It allows you to use this thermostat from either its smartphone app or using any voice assistant of your choice. This is possible due to the reason that you get Wi-Fi connectivity in it. Its display is quite large and shows a lot of information to the user at once. Sensi can help monitor the performance and efficiency of your HVAC system by delivering valuable usage reports, alerts about your equipment, and maintenance reminders like filter replacement. Looks and feels like a thermostat. Has buttons and fits the same space as a traditional thermostat, so you don't have to patch and paint your walls. Number 2. Our second best pick is Honeywell Heat Pump Thermostat. Honeywell is a highly popular name out there when it comes to heat pump thermostats. Its products offer various smart features to the user without asking for an extra premium for the same. This heat pump thermostat offers all of the features and options to the user that you will ever need in a thermostat. It even comes with Wi-Fi connectivity functionality. It can be used to set up to 7 days of programmable settings in this thermostat. All of this can be done using either its smartphone app or any popular voice assistant of your choice. Since this is a reputable brand, you get a pretty great build quality along with it. Although the 1-year warranty is a bit on the lower side for most users out there. Its large buttons are easy to press and allow you to easily navigate through the different options shown on its screen. Number 3. Our third best pick is Google Heat Pump Thermostat. Google's Nest brand is known for making highly premium smart home devices that offer a lot of things to the user for a great experience, just like its heat pump thermostat. This heat pump thermostat is present in the third position in this article as it offers the best overall experience to the user. This is simply due to the reason that you get all connectivity options with it, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Hence, you can easily use the companion smartphone app or any other voice assistant of your choice. Beautifully designed with polished metal finishes and bright, high-resolution display, Farsight shows you the temperature, weather, or time on your thermostat when you walk in the room. The Nest Learning Thermostat works with the Nest temperature sensor, sold separately, to help make sure a certain room is the exact temperature you want it to be. Speaking of the build, it offers a highly modern design that consists of a colored display in the middle and a dial around it for changing the temperature. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Lux Products Heat Pump Thermostat. Lux Products can be another great option if you want a basic heat pump thermostat without any smart options, for saving on the price tag or for using an older heat pump unit in your home. This heat pump thermostat is a non-smart unit that does not offer any connectivity options. Instead, you get a large display on the unit for checking its different settings. But unlike other non-smart models, this one comes with a touchscreen that is slightly better than using buttons while using a thermostat. The large, lighted touchscreen display keeps comfort levels crystal clear. It works with virtually all North American heating and cooling systems. Stay in your comfort zone with adjustable heating and cooling temperature limits. You can use the touchscreen to either change the settings or make programmable plans in this heat pump thermostat. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Mysa heat pump thermostat. As you can tell by the name, Mysa is another brand of home thermostat that makes smart options that offer smart connectivity features to the user for easily controlling the temperature of your home. Mysa's premium look subtly enhances your home's style. Goodbye, boring beige. Mysa works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. Stay cozy and connected. It helps you save money by using home energy more efficiently. This smart thermostat offers one of the most unique-looking designs with an integrated LED display. While there are very basic controls on the unit itself, you get a full smartphone app as well as voice assistant support in this article. Both of these things can be used to control this thermostat over the Wi-Fi network in your home. Speaking of the build, it offers a highly modern design that consists of a colored display in the middle and a dial around it for changing the temperature. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.